Joshika from Junior KG at Wisdom Nursery and Primary School. Welcome to our exhibition to my project on national symbol. This is tiger. It is our national animal. This is peacock. It is our national bird. This is lotus. It is our national flower. This is mango. It is our national fruit. Thank you.